First of all, I want to thank everyone for coming and joining Zach and Sierra on this joyous occasion. Now, how did Zach and Sierra meet? I suppose you could say it all started with Sierra walking down the main corridor. Zach seen her and thought, well, let's just say he was smitten with her. From there, Zach did some recon via Facebook. Then the fateful day came that Sierra had to work in the Site Control Center with Zach alone. I don't know how you did it, but congrats. Anybody that knows you two can see the love that you have for each other. From the little glances you give each other when the other one's not looking. Well, after you share had a dumb joke. Even when asked a question, you guys look at each other before you answer. You truly do care for and love one another, and it's just as evident as the smiles on your faces today.
I, Zach, take thee, Sierra, to be my wife,
I, Sierra, take thee, Zach, to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
in sickness and in health,
for richer or for poor.
in joy and sorrow,
I promise my love to you.
for as long as we both shall live.
By the power invested in me, pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
The first time I met Sierra was when I was picking him up for a guys' weekend, actually. And I saw the way they interacted. She was so caring and made sure he needed everything that he needed. I knew then that they were right for each other. They were really amazing together, and they really do love each other.